What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, in today's video I am doing nail dipping powder by Lovoir. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and give this video a big thumbs up. Your girl is on the road to 10K. Yay! Hey. But y'all, I've been supposed to do this video a while ago. Lovoir sent me this nail dipping powder, and I'm just going to show y'all what this is, how it's packaged, and I'm going to do some dipping powder for the first time. I'm using my non-dominant hand, so that means I'm using my left hand to do my right hand. But here's the back of the package. It says Sleek and Perfect Nails by Lovoir. Finally, a flawless manicure that you can achieve at your own home. So it's just a dipping powder kit, and it comes with all types of stuff. It gets the ingredients and stuff like that. Our nail dipping powder kit provides you with everything that you need to create beautiful, long-lasting nails. Our specialized formula ensures that your nails are strong and shiny for longer with easy, lightweight application, detailed step-by-step instruction, and no odor or UV or LED lamp required. You'll have stunning colors with a salon quality finish for weeks to come. So yeah, that's the package. The package is cute, and then when you open it, it has like a little magnet piece on the box to keep the box secured so your stuff won't fall out the box. Then it comes with instructions and stuff like that. So this is packaged really nice, and then like it just have all the details on how to apply, how to remove the dipping powder. So this is really nice. And then on the package, I get the limited edition gold glitter dipping powder for free just by giving them my order code. So guys, that is amazing. This is how everything is packaged. I have 5 bottles, which I will show you all what everything is. So here is my 120 grit buffer. They gave me that. And then I also have a 180 buffer, and it's my favorite color. It's pink. Here's a makeup brush to dust your nails off when you file and things like that. It's so soft and pretty, and it's also pink, my favorite color. Then we have a 180 and 120 file for your nails for when you're shaping and filing your nails down. Also, thank you, Lovoir, for sponsoring this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I also have this primer. This is for the dip powder to stick to your nail bed. Then we also have some base coat. That is the glue for the powder. Then we have an activator. That is for the end when you're done doing your dip powders. And then we have the top coat. Of course, you know what that's for. And then a brush saver. So like if your brush hardens up, you can dip it in there and it will bring your brush back to new, honey. We have a cuticle pusher. It's rainbow. It's so cute. It reminds me of mermaid. It's cute. We have some extra brushes just in case you can't save your brush. We have 2 of them. We can use those for backup because, you know, some people forget that they have glue and they leave it open and then they brush hard and stuff like that. Then we have our dip powders. So this one here is called Oh It's Shiny. So it's like a clear, shiny, like what you want to call it, AB glitter in it. And then we have My Little Pinky. This is like a little soft pink powder. Then we have Do You Like Purple. It's like a soft purple. This is so pretty too. Here is In the Nude. So this is like a nude color. This is very pretty. All these colors pretty. I'm not going to keep saying this is pretty, but I had to get that to focus. Pink fairy dust. Ooh, this is like a pink with glitter in it. That's cool. So I'm gonna have to use that. Positively pink. We're gonna have to use that. Then we have, does it come in black? So that's just charcoal black. I like that. Eternal gratitude. This is like a gray. This is nice. The lady in red. Ooh, this is a nice red. We're gonna have to use that. Snow white, pure white. And that's it. That's all the colors, everything that comes in the box. It's so packaged well. Thank you, Lovoir. Now here goes the video. So now I am going to use the cuticle pusher to push back my cuticle, because you want to make sure that's the first step that you do, because you don't want any lifting. You don't want your cuticles in the way. You want to push them cuticles back so it look nice and clean. So that's what I'm going to do. Make sure you check the description box below for my discount code so you can get you some Lovoir products. So check that out down below. So on the instructions, it said to use my 180 buffer to buff my nails. So I'm going to follow the instructions, and I'm just going to make sure I get all the shine off my nails with this 180 buffer. So I'm just going to buff away. Excuse my old woman hands. They all crusty and wrinkly, but I'm going to get them together by the end of the video. So make sure y'all stay tuned and hit that notification bell, because y'all will see a video where I announce my 10K subscriber giveaway. So please stay tuned for that. But right now I am going to use my cuticle cutter to cut all the dead skin off my cuticles to make these nails look nice. For the ones who know and for the ones who don't, this is my favorite tool, my cuticle ball. I use this all the time on me, my clients, anybody who does nails. I feel like you should get this, but this helps a lot because it gets rid of all that extra cuticle that you couldn't get with your cuticle pusher or your cuticle nippers. So you want to go ahead and go around your cuticle area to get all that and push your cuticle back just a little bit more. I have Kiss glue that I'm using. I just got this from the store because I ran out of glue. And I'm going to use my straight C-curve tips. I love these tips because they give you that nice straight look that you might be looking for. A lot of people ask me where I get these from. You could get them off of Amazon. So just type in straight tips or C-curve tips and you will find them on Amazon. So y'all, I had to use this nail clipper and I'm trying so hard to cut my nails with my left hand and I just could not get it. I tried using scissors and everything. So I finally figured out how to do it. I just cut on one side of the nail and the other side and just like cut it off with the scissors. Look at how jacked up these look. Oh my god. So I fixed my shape with my file, but your girl had a hard time cutting these straight. To the fun part, I'm using my primer now that I have my tips on and they're all shaped how I want them. You just want to put this on your nail bed, nowhere else, because if you put it anywhere else, it will make your nails lift. You don't want it on your skin or nothing like that. And also some people might be allergic, so you want to make sure you read the ingredients to different stuff so you know if you're allergic to the products or not. My little pinky was a cute little pink. I was thinking about using this color, but I decided not to use it because I was feeling this other color, and I'm about to show y'all now what color I was deciding to use. It's so pretty. Positively pink. This pink is definitely giving something like, oh yes, I'm going to use this. It's like a bubblegum pink. So now when I do the nails, I want to apply my base coat, which is my glue and adhesive for the dipping powder. Well, first I apply my primer, which you all seen. Then I apply the base coat. And you want to just evenly put that base coat on your nail. You want to make sure it does not touch your cuticle, so stay a little, like about a centimeter away from your cuticle. And then you just want to push it up to the free edge evenly and dip your finger in the powder about a 40-degree angle and get your finger all the way down in there so that the powder can cover your nail, because that glue will dry fast. And let it sit for about a few seconds, and then when you take it out, you want to tap your nail to get that excess powder off your nail. This is what it looks like with the first layer. So guys, I am going to repeat the same thing with all my nails. I am going to make sure I wipe my brush off on my paper towel through each step, because you don't want to get any powder in your adhesive bottle. So you want to make sure you clean that off through each step. And I think I put about 4 or 5 layers on my nails. You will see how that turned out. You will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. When you're done with your first layer, you want to go ahead and dust off that first layer, any dust that's left on the nail, because you're going to go in and continue the same steps throughout all your nails at least 2 more times. I know you can't tell, like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Okay, so look at how thick these are, y'all. I was kind of upset they was that thick. I put my activator on. I got all these lumps and bumps in my nails also, but I can fix that. I put the activator on so this can harden everything up, because that's what the activator does. So I just make sure I get it everywhere, including my tips, the free edge of my nail. Now it's time for shaping and filing. So I'm using my 120 buffer, which is a little more rougher than the other one, and that's going to shape my nails. And then I'm going to use my file and shape them that way. And here I have my top coat, where I'm going to finish my nails with the top coat just to give it that shiny look. But also I am going to design my nails. They still looked a little fat to me. I don't know if it's because I have wide nail beds or long fingers, but I really didn't like how thick they was. I tried to file them down as good as I could. So here I'm using these glow colors. I have pink and blue that I'm using, and I'm just gonna do some line work on all of my nails, like those swirl S's and things like that. That's what I'm doing on these nails, and hopefully when I put them in the light they glow, because this is my first time using these glow polishes. And excuse the blur. For some reason when I was designing my nails my camera was not focusing, but you can still kind of see what I'm doing. I chose an easy design because my hand was so shaky. Y'all really can't see it, but my hand was shaking like a leaf. And then this is like an easier design to do, especially if you're using a hand that you're not used to using. So I used to be able to draw all types of stuff with my left hand and things like that, but your girl has lost it. Like, I felt like my lines were so crooked, but at the end I kind of fixed it, so you all will see. Make sure you cure that for 60 to 90 seconds. I bought these gel colors and I really like them because I like to draw with them and they're just so convenient and easy. I'm just using my little pen tool and creating little dots down the lines, well, on the sides of the lines, and just giving it a little bit more oomph to this design. So once I was done with the design, I did decide to go ahead and use my matte top coat by Valentino to matte these nails, and it turns out very cute. So y'all, I hope y'all like these nails. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you all. See you in the next video. Peace. Mwah. Excuse my baby in the background. I can never get him to be quiet when I'm doing these videos.